fool we went to school with right there? That's him, man. The nigga rocking that George Jefferson.
Damn, homie. In high school, you was the man, homie. The fuck happened to you? Damn, homie.
That's
in
you?
High school, you was the man,
shit.
homie. The fuck happened to you?
I remember you all shucky ducky. You remember me, nigga, don't try to duck me. We had fourth period together. I was rocking suede, but you was rocking leather. You had a pocket full of cheddar. You waved it in my face. I wish my life was better. You was the shit back in high school. Never went to class, but all the bitches like you. You used to ditch and say bye, fool. Hit the fence, I wanted to be like you. But damn, I like learning. The money that I get is the money that I'm earning. Remember, I was working about 2 in the morning. You and your homies clowned a nigga uniform. I laughed it off like a classy motherfucker. It was good to see you, ashy motherfucker.
Damn, homie. In high school, you was the man, homie. The fuck happened to you? Damn, homie. In high school, you was the man, homie. The fuck happened to you?
Was ditching them classes, was chasing them asses. You quitting them jobs, you move like molasses. You don't think of shit unless it is free, or so